You know, I need to hit on my skin.
Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back, back.
What's up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing my makeup, my summer makeup routine. I absolutely love this look. It takes about 10 minutes. It's very easy, quick, and it's not cakey, because if you're still caking up makeup just like you were doing in the wintertime, girl, you're doing it wrong. You're doing it absolutely wrong, and we don't got time for it. So make sure you guys watch this entire video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and let's get straight to it. Okay, so first things first, my eyebrows are already done. If you like my eyebrows, thank you so much. I do have a video on how I achieve these eyebrows. I will definitely leave that in the description box. So my skin is already moisturized, it's already primed, moisturize, all of that. So make sure you guys do the same. And also, it is hot as hell, so make sure you guys put on sunblock, not only to protect your skin but to also prevent wrinkles. So wear your sunscreen, girls. Yes, black girls too, wear your sunblock, please. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with our foundation. I use Too Faced. I am in the color chestnut, and what we're going to do, instead of putting it on a blending brush or putting it on any type of brush, we're literally just going to put some on our finger, and we're just going to do like a spot in multiple areas. And then you're going to take your beauty blender and you're just gonna, you know, blend it in. When you do it this way, it's so light, but yet it still is very effective. You know, the point of makeup is to look like something happened. It's giving skin. Like, this looks like my skin. It doesn't look like nothing else. I promise you, if you do the spotting just like I showed you, that already is going to take your makeup from here to here during the summer. Because if you literally put it on a brush and put it on, you're going to look so mudded out. Like, it's gonna be so high. And girl, just don't do that, okay? Like, I don't want you sweating in the parties and your makeup is running and all that. Like, we ain't going for that this summer, okay? We are popping out snatch, period. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my concealer, which is also in Too Faced. Born This Way, Too Faced, whatever. I am in the color Butterscotch, and you want to add your concealer per usual. I added right here. Okay, so my beauty blender is wet, and I'm going to start at the bottom. And you want to really, if you're not wetting your beauty blender, I highly recommend it, because it's going to smooth it out very, very nice. So one thing that is different with my summer routine does not involve any setting powder. I don't bake at all. I literally want to look super sun-kissed. I want to look very, very light, and I feel like when you bake, put on any setting powder, it makes you look cakey, and I'm not going for that. So that's off our list. Don't worry about it. No. Now I am going to take my Morphe bronzer. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't even know if I've done a makeup routine since I've had this, but you need this. Please get this ASAP. This is the best bronzer out. Literally, it's giving everything it needs to give. This is in Trailblazer. Oh, I love it so much. And I'm going to bronze my face. Make sure y'all blend that forehead. I've been seeing a lot of pictures of girls, and it just looks like just black, just a straight line black. Like, girl, don't go for that. Please take your time. If you're gonna do your makeup, just take your time. If you don't have time, just don't wear no makeup. Like, so I'd rather look good without makeup than looking crazy with makeup. So blend that forehead. I'm also going to make sure my nose is snatched. I'm going to take this bronzer, and I've been loving using this type of brush to do my nose contour. Like, it's a must. And I highly don't recommend using any creams during the summer. Girl, it's just too hot. Get you a good powder, get you a few good powders, you in the game, okay? Because some creams gonna melt. I bet you they're gonna melt like a damn cake. Okay, so yeah, check the skin. Yeah, you want to give that, like, all that other stuff, no ma'am. So now I'm going to take my MAC Dark Mineralize Skinfinish in Natural. Love this stuff. Instead of setting your face with powder, you want to set your face with a pressed, compact, not loose powder, I guess you can call it. Girl, just get a pressed powder. It'll do you very good justice. Then, you know, you want to take your little brush, and I'm gonna start at the bottom. Then I'm also going to add it up under my eye. I do that a little bit different though. I don't like rub it in or anything like that. Don't do that, because the concealer is still, it's dry, but it's not really dry. So let's set it just like we would do our setting powder, and we're just gonna tap it. So again, I'm going to take my bronzer and I'm going to bronze again. Girl, we are almost finished. It's just like that. Like, this makeup look literally takes like 10 minutes max. Okay, so I took off my lip gloss. I'm going to line my lips with just a little brown liner. So now I'm going to spray my face. Of course, I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. It's a light spray. It's a beautiful spray. And yeah, I feel good. Feels really, really good. So I'm going to let that dry off. And then we're going to line my eyes, put on my lashes, put on a little highlighter, and we're going to be done. Oh, I forgot. Sorry, I'm gonna put on some blush. I love a little rosy cheek during the summer. I don't know about you. Don't be scared of blush, girl. It's beautiful. So I absolutely love this palette. It's from e.l.f. Very affordable, very cheap. And I actually am going to mix these two right here. Let's go ahead and put on my lashes, and I'll come right back. Alright, so we're back. My lashes are on, and now I'm about to put on my lip gloss because, yeah, you know the vibes. I always wear clear lip gloss. All that wearing lipstick and heavy, you know, all that, you know, that's cool and all, but summertime, nah, we trying to keep it real light and pretty, okay? Now, I know a lot of people have canceled out highlight, but it's summer and I need that sun to hit, you know, I need it to hit on my skin. I need it to look like a diamond, okay? I'm taking my Fenty Beauty, and you know, it comes with the two. I'm going to use this one to the right. This one is Afternoon Snack. Put that on my little fan brush and lightly put it on my nose. Put some right here. You know, you don't want to drag it all the way down. Just keep it really up here. I'm going to put some right under my brow. Okay, so now my makeup is done, girl. I got on my lashes. My face is done. My lip gloss is popping. All that. Period. So the last thing I do is add more mist. I don't know. I just like to put it on my face so I can just feel complete. And my face is done. Like, you can't tell me that I look cakey or anything like that. My face looks very light. I look bronze. I look rosy. Like, my cheeks look rosy from the sun. All that. And that is just so pretty. Like, girl. Alright, you guys, so that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give this one a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, girl. And I'll see you guys next time.